Valley is located in the Basque province of Araba. The Basque Country comprises the Basque Autonomous Community and Navarra in Spain, and the western part of the French department of Pyrenees-Atlantics, one nation within 2 states and 3 administrations.
The Basque Country is one of the communities with Basque culture in Spain, as are Navarra and the French Basque Country, that together with Bearne forms the Pyrenees-Atlantics department in France.
Why don't we ask Catherine about her favorite places? She's here.
She said that Bilbao is a very good city because it's very big.
She commented that San Sebastian is her favorite place in the Basque Country because of the beach.
She liked Vitoria-Gasteiz because she liked to go there shopping and drinking Rioja wines.
She admitted that knew Pamplona because of Halloween.
The capital, Madrid, is home to the Royal Palace and singular Prado Museum, hosting works by European masters. And Segovia to the north as fairy tale medieval castle and Roman aqueduct.
Catalunya's capital, Barcelona, is defended by Antoni Gaudí Christian modernist architecture, including the Sagrada Family Basilica.
Did you know that there are other co-official languages in Spain apart from Spanish? Basque co-official in Basque Country and Navarre. Basque is the only non-Romance language with an official status in mainland Spain.
Basque is believed to be one of the few surviving pre-Indo-European languages in Europe, and the only one in Western Europe.
Pelota. Basque pelota is the most famous of all the traditional Basque sports, although it does not technically count as early Kirolak. It is a ball sport that belongs to the same family as tennis, squash and badminton, although it is clearly distinct from these other sports. It is played either indoors or out, on a special court known as a fronton, and it can be played either in singles or doubles. There are many theories about the origins of pelota. Some believe that it began in ancient Greece, others in the Roman Empire. What is clear is that the modern incarnation we see today was developed in the Basque Country over many centuries. We can see evidence of its progression by looking at historical and literary sources from as early as the 12th century. There are 4 main variations of the sport: pelota a mano, bare-handed; pala, with a wooden or rubber bat; share, with a type of net; and cesta punta, with a special curved basket. The most popular version outside the Basque Country is probably jai alai, which is played with a basket. It is particularly popular in North America, but is currently practiced in over 25 countries across Europe, Asia, and the Americas.